Lava lines crawled across his scale, and when he ate it, hybrid is here. On this channel, the monster will create super packs for you. It might be TX, power of water control. Or maybe a dragon merged with a dog. Wait, what? Or even a cat with the power of time control. Wait, no. On this channel, so our first comment is by Piyush Soni Set 3B. Without wasting any time, let's spin the wheel. So our first wheel is the category wheel. So it's going to be an ancient animal. Now it's time for the ancient animal power wheel. It will decide what special power our ancient animal get. Looks like our ancient animal get a magical power. Now let's see what ancient animal you get. And your ancient animal is Velociraptor. Now let's see what magical power your Velociraptor gets. And the magical power is shape-shifting. A long time ago, raptors ruled the land, but there was one small big problem. These little guys ate everything around them. Rabbits gone, lizards gone, even tiny chickens. Yeah, poor chickens. Soon they had no food left. And when it comes to big dinosaurs like the Triceratops, well, the raptors couldn't even touch them. They were just too small. But then, one day, everything changed. A hungry raptor was chasing a chicken, ready for a snack. But instead of a chicken dinner, he found something glowing. A mysterious orb. And when he ate it, he unlocked the magical power of shape-shifting. In simple words, he basically became the Ben 10 of dinosaurs. 1 second he was a raptor, the next he transformed into a huge T-Rex. The Triceratops, who used to bully him, yeah, not anymore. Now our raptors turned mega dinos, had all the food he wanted. And that's how the very first shapeshifter raptor was born. And yeah, I kidnapped him for you. So our second comment is from Sing in the Heaven. Before we spin the next wheel, if you want a cool animal too, just subscribe and comment. I'll create your pet in the next video. Alright, let's spin our second wheel. And it's gonna be a magical animal. Let's spin the wheel and see what creature you get. And it's gonna be a crocodile, the king of the lakes. Next up, it's time to spin the magical power wheel. And the magical power you got is fire control. Wait.
The king of the lakes.
9,999 years ago, deep in the heart of the jungle, there was a lake full of crocodiles. Scary, silent, and very moody. But one crocodile was different. He was weak, hungry, hopeless, useless, less than less. Basically the main character. One day out of nowhere, a glowing red orb falls from the sky and plops into the lake. I mean seriously, who even throws magical orbs from the sky? Nobody would touch it. It was steaming, glowing, and honestly smelled like trouble. So what did the crocodile gang do? They bullied the weak crocodile. Eat it or get out of the lake. The poor guy had zero choices. So he swallowed the orb At first, nothing happened, but then he started drowning. Then the biggest crocodile kicked him out of the lake and yelled,
Never come back.
1 hour later.
The weak crocodile started changing. Lava lines crawled across his scale. He wasn't weak anymore. He became Blazejaw. Basically, he's the crocodile who can control the fire. After a long time, he returned, hoping for a welcome. Instead, the biggest crocodile laughed and said, "What kind of crocodile are you? You can't even swim?" That line hurt his heart so bad. He used his ultimate move. I don't even know what it was. But bro, it was insane. The lake just vanished like it was never there. He didn't stop there. He went on a rampage, setting the jungle on fire. So yeah, trouble, big trouble. That's why I had to do the only smart thing. I kidnapped him for you. He's safe now and living in lava. Alright, let's check our next comment. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. No more spillings for subscribers. This time, it's my turn. Alright, first, let's spin the category wheel for me. And my animal is going to be a hybrid animal. Alright, let's check out our hybrid type. Looks like it's a normal type, not bad at all. Now it's time for the animal wheel. Why is this wheel as unfair as my life? It's fine. Let's spin the wheel. And it's a donkey. Not expected, of course. Alright, time for the second animal wheel. Please, something different this time. Let's spin the wheel. And it's a donkey. But wait, is it possible to create a hybrid of the same animal? First, let me check something. I guess my dispatch just keeps dropping lower and lower. Okay. For the sake of this channel, I have to create something. When I was a kid, I used to love animals. Even animal loves me.
Huh?
One day out of nowhere, an animal seller came to our area and he had 2 donkeys with him. And as you know how much I love animals, I bought both of them. After that, I used to play with them every single day. But these days, all they do is just eat and sleep. They literally have no jobs. And the worst part is, both of them are male. So in return, I don't get any money from them. But for my video, I have to do something with them. The thing is, I know where I can get the solution. But first, it's time to sleep. Now it's time to check my laptop. So there's this dark website. Like really dark. Yeah, can't say more. Because it's a family friendly show. Anyways, that's where I can get the machine I need. And guess what? It cost only 1 million. Let me check my bank balance. Yep, I only have 10k. So even if I sell my house, my barn, even if I sell myself, I still won't have enough money. But I can rent it for 10k. That's still expensive.
One eternity later.
After a long wait, finally my order has arrived. But wait, who's that guy coming in with a pink mask? Oh, he is here to take my signatures. Bro, your pink mask is cool.
It's hot pink, not pink. Dumbass.
Okay. Anyways, the machine is finally here. And it looks
Nice.
Now, where are my donkeys? Oof. Let's start the machine. Wait, it takes 2 days to process.
One eternity later.
Finally, the hybrid is here. Oh no. I think my lifetime saving just turned into trash. What even is this thing? I want to know. He eats from this side? No, he eats from this side. No, I don't know. Did I just created some cursed creature? Okay. Let me see if I can fix this. Oh shit. Why is the pink mask guy back? And why does he have a toy gun with him? So that's how this cursed thing was made. Anyways, that's it for today's video. If you want your own pet, not this nightmare, just subscribe to the channel and comment below. I'll create one for you in the next video. Bye.